What up, guys? And today is pretty dope freshest. We actually hit 1 million subscribers on Prank vs. Prank. It's amazing. I thought that would never happen. Check it out, 1 million subscribers. And thank you guys so much for subscribing.
Aw, that's her saying thank you.
1 million, 1 million, 1 million, 1 million, 1 million, 1 million.
So Nyla's old enough. We're teaching her how to drive. She wants to drive, so
There we go.
this is her first driving lesson, and we hope that she can do it well.
Alright, what's of age to drive, Nyla, okay? Come
Right,
up.
kitty?
Come up. Come up. Come up.
It's gonna take a lot of practice before Nyla's comfortable walking outside, so I don't know if we'll be able to take her to the walk. She seems pretty scared again. She hasn't been outside for a while. Jesse's wearing his school bag because it makes it easier for her to lay on his back. She has more room.
Oh my god, what's that big hole? Wait a minute. What is that big hole right there?
It's a hole, we see.
No, something's digging there. Look at all the sand. It's fresh. Okay, I realized, like with walking, I know people's not really supposed to walk cats, but when you're walking with Nyla, she likes to low crawl. Oh no, she just gave up. No, but like we gotta walk away from her and she'll come follow us. Watch.
Girl.
She just follows us.
We gotta bring treats, we always forget. Oh, she sees a bug.
Get it, Nyla, get it. Get it, Nyla, get it. She's doing good now. I mean, we probably look so awkward to all these people. Like, why are they walking their cat?
She's a special cat.
She is. She's a dog.
I'm so impressed by Nyla. I never thought she would do this, but she just peed outside.
She is a dog.
Literally.
I swear.
She
is a
stopped
dog
in
with
her
a cat
tracks.
body.
Look, she's trying to clean it up. She stopped and peed, and we were like, why? What's she doing? And then he's like, is she peeing? And I looked and I saw her peeing. It was so funny. Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Oh,
She's so good.
She sees that plane, so freak her out. I think we got it. She's tired. She's panting now.
She is doing it.
Look, she's panting.
Is she?
Yeah.
Oh, like a dog.
We gotta get some water for her.
Yeah.
But no, that's what I heard. The Savannahs, they pant like dogs. Good job. You're a dog. You're a dog in a cat's body.
Look at that cute face she's making. It's so cute. Oh, I never really saw her do that before. We're gonna get you some water.
This is the best part right here. This is a peanut butter cookie, by the way.
Peanut butter?
What? Oh, what? Oh, what? Can I sprinkle my fingers? Gina, I've been wanting to give you this ring so long. Will you take my hand
It's too big.
Wait, you're supposed to say yes first. Yeah, that's what you're gonna do to my ring?
Big.
That's rude.
I lost it.
Lost my ring?
I guess it wasn't that special.
If a girl ever had one big boob and one little boob, you could call her Biggie Smalls. Gina was like, yo, do you want me to get you stuff to make sandwiches? We're in a grocery store, by the way. And I was like, I don't know. She's like, I make them special. That's when you go, yes. Because that means there's going to be chips, pickle, iced tea with ice.
It's not gonna be all that.
What? You said you're going to make it special.
I'm gonna make the sandwich special.
Make that shit special, son.
A special sandwich. Son.
Make sure your girlfriend makes your sandwich special, not just regular.
We don't have what we want.
We're trying to get brown rice patties.
Cakes.
Cakes, patty, sandwich.
Rice cake inside your sandwich.
What? What's that? Is that special?
It's special enough.
Okay. We tried this sweet and tangy sauce.
Why does it say San?
San.
It says San.
Sanjay. San. Sang a
Jay.
son.
Jesse and Gina.
Why are we finding all these things that say San? They need 2 more A's on
Wait,
there.
what does it mean? It must mean something. Is this
San.
Chinese, Korean? What is
I think
it?
so. What are you doing?
So cool, we've never seen this before, so we have to try it. You can make your own peanut butter here. This is ridiculous. I've never seen it like this, ever. Isn't that crazy how it just crushes it up and it's like all natural peanut butter?
Warm.
Jeez, that's a knob. Jesse,
How do you shut it
stop.
off? How do you shut it off?
Turn the
How do you shut it
button.
off? Oh my god, how do you shut it off? How do you shut it off? I'm just joking.
He's so annoying. But look, this is the peanuts, and it grinds it up. It's really cool.
Do they do it by the weight or?
I guess.
Oh, do you want to be a zombie tonight? Look what I found. Bath salts. I thought they were illegal now. I thought you couldn't get it. Yeah, you should definitely get that.
Love me if I have a
Yo,
Rufus
I really
today.
like the zippers. They're little bananas.
Oh, they're so cute. I didn't even notice that. I'm making dinner now, and I'm making stir fry, which I like to make. And the thing I like most about making stir fry is you can be so creative with it and pick almost any vegetables that you want. So what I did today is broccoli, carrots, bean sprouts, mushrooms, snow peas, onions, and a little bit of tofu. And in a couple of minutes, I'm gonna cut up some chicken into slices. And here is my little audience. She told me I should get a cooking channel. I should make a cooking channel too, because she knows you guys ask for it, and she loves watching me cook, right? Oh, you think you're gonna cut your little nails? You're gonna cut your nails on the refrigerator? Look how delicious and healthy this looks so far. What I forgot to show you, actually, because I almost forgot, was corn. And I wanted to buy baby corn because I really like that in stir fry, but they didn't have it. I couldn't find it in the store, so I bought some frozen corn, and that's what I'm putting in instead. But I wanted to let you guys know, if you didn't already know, that if you buy, if you're not going to buy fresh vegetables, it's always better to buy frozen vegetables opposed to canned vegetables, because the canned vegetables usually have a lot of sodium added, whereas the frozen vegetables don't usually have anything added. So that's my little health tip for the day. Jesse likes fried eggs in his stir fry, so I fried up a couple eggs and I added it in. And sometimes I'll mix rice in, but today I'm gonna do it on the side, and the stir fry is just gonna be mixed with vegetables. So we have brown rice on the side, and then the stir fry will go next to it.
Uh-oh, Gina's having beer. She doesn't drink.
I'm gonna
Drinking
try beer.
Root beer, son.
Beer to the root of the beer.
Root beer is so good. Why is root beer good?
How come when you drink something good, you always gotta go,
Nyla knows there's something up with the secret room. Look at her. She knows something's up with it. What's going on, Nyla? What's in there? Is it the Cookie Monster? Come on out, Cookie Monster. Come on out. Look at her. What was that? What? Gina and I are sitting here and we're talking about we want to make some more t-shirts for you guys, because we got the Yo PvP Sun shirts, we got the PvP FTW shirts, and we really want to do a Nyla shirt. So we wanted to ask you guys, what do you want to see? Do you want to see another catchphrase? Do you want to see Nyla? Do you want to see tank tops? Do you want to see sweatshirts? I don't know. Let us know in the comments, and then we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Sorry.
ow! I banged my
You what?
ankle.
Oh, you woke
Look, I'm
Nyla.
bleeding.
Oh my God,
that
are
was
you?
old.
If you want a Yo PvP Sun shirt, they're still available. Link is in the description. And also, let us know what other things you want to see, like a Nyla Kitty shirt or some more catchphrases, Dope Fresh Nation. I don't know. We're trying to think of some stuff. Also, we're going to be doing a live show tomorrow, Wednesday. And what time are we doing it at?
Let's do it at 2.
We're going to do it at 2 o'clock.
We're gonna
Eastern
try and
Standard Time. It's 2 o'clock Wednesday.
Eastern
Standard
Standard
Time. And we're going to see you guys tomorrow. So peace
On the
streets. Alright, I guess you have to try it today.
Now it's your turn.